district and throughout the Telangana by extending his Zoom services to us. Sir, I am very much pleased to introduce our Professor Rajshekhar Vangapati sir to our RJD Lingaya sir. Sir, please. And
good morning, sir.
Thank you, Lingaya. Thank you, Andy. Welcome. Thank you, Andy. Go ahead.
And besides, I would like to say one more thing, sir. Sir, Professor Rajshekhar Vangapati sir. Sir, our RJD sir is very enthusiastic and passionate person, and also so inspiring to all the teachers that he would be making frequent visits to our schools and encouraging the teachers and also boosting up the confidence of the students. Sir, we are very much pleased to both of you to be a part of our online conference, sir. Welcome to the online conference once again, sir, on behalf of ELTA Warangal Arban. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, Rajarani, for introduction. And then really, it's wonderful to work with all the teachers. I hail from Warangal actually. So my childhood I spent in Warangal, and then after that I went to Hyderabad, and then I went to IIT, and then I was in France, and then from there I went to US. So right now I'm in New York as a professor and registrar at Fashion Institute of Technology in New York, under the State University of New York. So my passion is actually to see the classroom. So how you can improve the quality of education in the classroom, particularly for the government school students. So with that passion, actually, I started from last 5 years, closely associated and adapted a couple of schools, and I tried technology, fashion design skills, and spoken English, and other skill set, so that everyone who graduates from the 10th grade, by the time they graduate by the 10th grade, they should be able to attain some technology and as well as some skill set. So with that motto, actually, I started helping the teachers, and I started training the teachers also. The COVID actually helped us in many ways, other than the damage also. So luckily, at least the teachers could have been passionate and committed actually for their time and learning, so be able to share some knowledge among the teachers. So wish you all good luck once again. I don't take too much time, and please, Ms. Lingala, so go ahead, and wish you all good luck for the session. It's my pleasure and honor to share my resources for you all teachers. Good luck.
Thank you, sir, once again, and truly we remain ever indebted for your support and encouragement, making us digitally literate, sir. Thank you once again, sir.
Welcome.
Rajan ma'am and Padma ma'am, please go to the proceedings and start the meeting formally.
Shall we continue, sir? Okay. Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to all the people and the participants of this one day online Warangal Arban Telangana one day online conference. We are really very much privileged to conduct this online conference, which can also be called as mini conference by ELTA Warangal Arban. Our main motto is to inspire all the teachers and to make all the teachers to be encouraged to be a part of this and also become digital literates. Apart from that, we wanted to convey that we, the teachers of Warangal Arban, are really being very passionate and would like to be the committed teachers and want to adopt all the novel things and strategies in order to develop and optimize the learning among our students. So once again, a warm welcome to this one-day mini conference conducted by ELTA Warangal Arban in collaboration with and under the guidance of our state body, ELTA Telangana. Thank you. Now, I invite Padmavati ma'am. I request Padmavati ma'am to take over, please.
Thank you.
Somebody should start recording.
Yes, sir, it's doing. It's done.
But it is not showing. Recording is going on.
Sir, shall I start? Madam, start. Right. Thank you, Roja. It's really a God-given opportunity to introduce our RJD sir, Mr. Lingaya, who is a very humble personality. And he has not only having a humble personality, he is very gorgeous in his endeavors. And the outlook, it is also really very gigantic. That's the reason why today he was very kind enough to participate in ELTA Warangal Urban Mini Conference. We thank you very much, sir. And all his endeavors, all these were very stupendous and magnificent. And the most important truth I would like to say about his personality is very scrupulous and meticulous. Not only he being scrupulous and meticulous, he wants everyone, scrupulous and meticulous for the cause of the students. I thank you very much once again, ELTA Warangal Urban. I request now over to our RJ for his message to all the audience. Thank you very much, sir.
Good morning, Amma.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please start your video and.
Okay. Is it visible, Andy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good morning to all ELDC members for conducting this program, and also good morning to Professor Rajshekhar Garu Mangapati. He is participating from abroad and is very interested to give his valuable message to all the English teachers to improve skills among all the teachers who are teaching in government schools particularly. And also I think Pradyumna sir is also participating in from Karimnagar. Just now they have told that Pradyumna sir is also participating. Is Pradyumna sir is available?
No, sir. He will join by 11, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. And first of all, I would like to appreciate all the ELTC members for organizing this program for the benefit of all the teachers during this COVID period. It is a unexpected event, and we did not imagine, and we have never imagined this kind of situation. The schools is almost closed for 4 months, and also we don't know when will all the schools will open, and the situation of the COVID. So at the juncture, the ELTA Warangal is doing good effort to for the benefit of all the English teachers. So already they have prepared 15 papers for SSC examinations. When the examination is postponed and the department secretary madam asked to conduct classes for the all the remaining exams, so they have prepared for 15 papers for SSC exams, and also they are regularly conducting series of webinars for English teachers on different topics, more particularly for improving of their technical skills and to utilize the skills in the classroom situation. So, and also in from June 20th to 21st, 2 days they have conducted mini conference also. So they are doing good efforts for the benefit of the all teachers, and particularly my warm heartily congratulations to all the members who have involved in this major program. It is an opportunity for all the teachers. In other words, everybody is thinking about the COVID situation. But when a teacher, if a teacher thinks seriously to improve their skills, it is a better opportunity. It's a better platform for all the teachers to utilize this leisure time to improve their skills for the benefit of the students who are studying in our government schools. I have visited many schools, and I also observed many classroom teaching practices, and I observed that the classroom teaching, more particularly English teaching in government schools, is entirely different. The teaching in English private schools or corporate schools are highly equipped English medium schools, so it's entirely different. Why most of the children are from first generation or second generation students are coming to our schools. So it's a the English teachers has more responsibility to involve the students in teaching learning process, and also to encourage them to learn the language in the classroom situation, and also more particularly due to less strength in our English in our government schools, many schools are preferring to start English medium schools. So the role of English teacher is very essential in this situation. Once a English teacher motivate the students to learn language and encourage them to speak fluently in English, it is very helpful them to learn math, science, and social studies. So the role of English teacher, in more particularly wherever English school classes are started, are very important, and definitely they are doing good efforts. But in only in a few schools, the teachers, only in few schools, the teachers are not doing much hard work to improve the English language skills among the students. Definitely, uh, I want to ask them, all the teachers, to make every school a successful school in terms of language. So we should not think just English language is to get a pass marks. So it should be a meaning. It will give them a meaningful life once they leave the school, or once they completed their academics. So definitely the English teacher has to play a vital role in creating a English atmosphere in the schools. And also I wanted to request all the English teachers to teach English as a language. So it's not a concept oriented as with the math, social science. It's only language. The purpose is to make them, every student, to involve in the classroom activity, and so that every student will get a interest, and they were definitely they will try to learn. So in future, once that student leaves our school, so there should be a every student must be in a fluent in English, reading and writing, and also spoken English. Definitely this program will uh, give them a good opportunity to encourage the teachers and also students. So I hope every English teacher, so it is not it's a continuous process, and every day the English teacher has to do hard work, and to make them, every student, to do hard work in learning language. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you for your message, sir. Really,
Thank you, and Roger and Madam, and I did not recognize the other names, but thanks to everybody.
sir, thank you for your message, sir. Really, on this platform, ELTA Telangana assures you that your dream becomes a reality, sir. And we always anticipate ELTA Telangana, Warangal in special, and ELTA Telangana anticipates your support in all our activities, sir. Sure, we are going to your dream becomes successful and true, sir. And we always extend our support. Thank you very much for your
Also, and I request all the English teachers to encourage the social science and math teachers to learning a basic things in language. So in order to teach their subject effectively. Actually, and if Corona is not there, actually with the support of Warangal DEO Narayan Reddy Garu, we planned to give a training to all the non-language teachers to improve to their subject, to teach their subjects in English. So definitely after commencement of all schools, definitely we will want to give the training to all the non-language teachers also in English. So definitely your role will take your support. Thank you.
Thank
Sir, DO sir is
See
also
that-
there.
Sir,
Respond.
DO sir also joined.
With, yeah, with pleasure.
Hello?
Sir.
Sir, please respond. We are planning for that course also.
Hello.
With pleasure.
Ma'am, Padmavat ma'am, Rajran ma'am, please invite DO sir also.
Yeah, with
Okay,
pleasure, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable message, sir. And we would like to stand upon your point, and we would always be there in cooperation with you, sir. And we will work under your guidance. Thanks a lot for inspiring us with your valuable message, sir. We would always keep that point. And now, once again, I would take the privilege to invite all the people of all the state body members also along with our guest of honor for today, DO Garu. So first, I would like to invite T. Venkateshwar Rao, sir, the president of ELTA Telangana, and Vinodha Raju sir, Mr. Vinodha Raju sir, the General Secretary of ELTA Telangana, Mr. Srinivas Kola, the Associate President of ELTA Telangana, and also Mr. T. Kumaraswamy sir, the President ELTA Warangal Urban, and the guest of honor, Mr. K. Narayan Reddy, the District Educational Officer, and also the Acting Principal of Government Diet Warangal to this one-day online conference being conducted by ELTA Warangal Urban under the guidance of the state body ELTA Telangana. Sir, now it's my proud privilege to invite our guest of honor for today, the DO, Mr. K. Narayan Reddy Garu, the DO, to please address the gathering. Sir, he has been an efficient academic with an efficient academic background. He had been the planning officer in SCRT and encouraged the student-teacher innovative activities. He was the man behind the launching of innovative step, that is a new step towards the boosting the confidence and reinforcing the success of our students last year, that is 2019 to 18-19, behind the initiation of the lunch with the collector for boosting the confidence of the students who acquired 10 GPA in SSC in 2019. This was a step to motivate, encourage and reinforce the students and also regenerate a zeal in the students for the next academic years. Sir, we really remain ever indebted to you, and that was a novel strategy. And all the students got motivated. And sir, you are also an encouragement to the teachers by conducting the online 4-week computer classes and in collaboration with our inviting and making us to be learning these computer classes and become digital literates by the support taken from NRI, Professor Raj Shekhar Venkapati, the Registrar at Fashion Store Technology, New York. Sir, we always remain ever indebted to you, and I would be glad to invite you and pleased if you could please render your valuable message to the people on this today in this online conference. So please, a warm welcome to this online conference.
Okay, thank you, Ma. Thank you very much. Good morning to our RJD sir and other teachers who are participating in this one-day seminar. At the outset, I congratulate ELTA for initiating this type of program for the benefit of teachers, because always professional development is very important. Continuous professional development is very important to every teacher, because nowadays so many innovative practices are coming into classroom teaching. So there is a need to know what are the various teaching learning strategies being used in various states or various countries across the globe, so that we can utilize those strategies for the benefit of our students, because the main challenge to the teachers is how best they are teaching in the classroom, what strategies are strategies and methodologies are using in classroom teaching. Nowadays most of the teachers feel difficulty in transacting the content, because I think most of the teachers have mastery over their content and subject matter, but the main challenge is how to transact the content to the students. What type of pedagogy, what type of methodology is useful to the students? That is very important. To decide the right methodology is very important to a teacher. So always, nowadays so many methods are available, and even open learning resources are also available nowadays. So only we have to understand those strategies, how far they are useful to our environment, how far they are useful to our students. All these strategies we need to understand, And teacher, teaching is a profession. Every day we need to update our knowledge, update our strategies, update our pedagogy, so that we can utilize the suitable strategies, because we cannot use the previous strategies, outdated strategies and methods to the new generation, because nowadays students are coming to classroom with a lot of knowledge. Nowadays they are using, most of the students are using digital technologies, computers, cell phones. They are also browsing and seeing various aspects of the subjects. So we need to understand various aspects. So this is very important seminars, because the main purpose of this forums is to conduct this type of conferences, seminars. They are useful to the teachers, so that we can share our ideas in teaching learning process, in classroom teaching. So many innovative practices are there. So many teachers are using innovative practices in their classroom teaching. So we need to share regularly, so that we can understand the strategies. We can utilize those in our classroom teaching also. So it is very important initiative, taken up by the ELTA Warangal. Always Warangal Urban is doing lot of programs. I can say that they are in the front line. ELTA Warangal is in the front line in the state in organizing so many programs, because that is the main purpose. I request all the forums also, various subject forums also, you try to conduct these type of programs, as many programs as possible, so that because professional development is very important to a teacher. Otherwise we cannot use outdated pedagogy, outdated methodology for the nowadays students. So very important. And once again I congratulate all the ELTA for conducting this program. Nowadays, after this pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, there is a need to go for online teaching, digital methodologies. Very important. We should understand those concepts, how to how to prepare a lesson, how to assess the performance of students through Google Sheets. Nowadays, some of the teachers are using Google Sheets also to assess the performance of their students. So many strategies are there. So many techniques are available in the market. So I request all the teachers to share new techniques, so that the teachers can utilize these techniques in their classroom. Thank you very much. Thank you and all the best to you. And I request all the participants to interact with the resource persons, interact with the experts, because this is very important. Sharing is very important. Nowadays, nobody is expert. Always we need to share, we need to understand various concepts. So subject is a vast subject. Every subject, so many things are there to understand, because there is no limit. Sky is the limit. We need to understand so many aspects, so that we can utilize those things in our classrooms, and ultimately we will become an effective teacher. Thank you very much. All the best to you.
Sir, thank you for your valuable and precious, inspiring message, sir. And we assure you on this platform to live up to your expectations, sir. Sir, as you were saying, we would strive hard for the continuous professional development, adopting the novel and innovative strategies in order to transact well and reach the students to optimize the learning. Thank you, sir, once again for your valuable message.
Okay, thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. And
Please
now,
continue.
Thank you.
thank you, sir. I request Padmavati ma'am to continue.
Madam, if possible, show our Google Classroom, no? The webinars conducted from Warangal Urban.
Yeah, shall we go on now, or shall we give an opportunity for our ELTA president and vice president to speak first, and then go on with that, sir?
Okay, madam.
Pradyumna sir is also there. After that, I will give chance. 1 minute.
Yeah, shall we
Okay,
go on with the
Tino,
protocol? Yeah.
Tino sir, please. Ma'am,
Sir,
go on.
thank you, Roja. Now I invite Mr. T. Venkateshwar Rao, our Telangana president, who has a very mosaic vision, and he's very patient to appeal to every teacher, and he submits his response to every teacher, and he's striving hard since the inception of ELTA, which has grown in leaps and bounds. But actually, when it was started, he was a person who was stood along with all the endeavors of ELTA Warangal, and I also, and he always encourages everyone to, even it was from a microscopic one to a macroscopic one. Really, it's a pleasure and love to have such a president of ELTA Telangana. Now I request Mr. TV Rao to address the gathering.
Good morning, all. Very warm welcome to all the participants. And first of all, I convey my heartfelt thanks to Mr. K. Lingaya sir, the RJD of Warangal, and also the DEO Warangal Urban for coming over onto our platform and messaging our participants. Every valued suggestion that you both have given will be definitely carried forward in our classroom, sir. On behalf of our participants, we assure you, sir, you know, ELTA has been rendering a great service for making all the participants, all the teachers, to the maximum extent to extend their services using online practice. So it's I always work hard with my team to make our team to work hard in this area, and I wish, as there is a short of time, I can't speak much because there are the people who have to give their presentations, and I particularly convey my heartfelt greetings and congratulations to the ELTA urban team, and in particular Sampath sir and Rojarani, Padmavati, and all the other team members who have taken a great initiative to make this program very successful. My appeal to all the participants is to whatever that you learn through this platform, just you try to explore further more and try to implement whatever you carry out from our platform, that you practice and try to implement in your schools to enrich good language skills. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Venkateshwar sir, for your valuable message. I mean, we would definitely follow your footsteps, sir. And you are the inspiration and the person behind our success today. ELTA Warangal Urban Body is there doing great services only under your guidance, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir, once again. Now, I take the pleasure to invite Mr. Vinedhar Raju, sir, the General Secretary to ELTA Telangana. He is a member who has secured Fulbright Fellowship, and he is a part of the T program, that is Teaching Experience Excellence and Achievement Program. And he is really a pride of our state and teachers of English of our state, because he has gone through the 45 days of training in USA, and now in extension to this program, he is now taking up a project called as Connecting Classrooms, involving many of the zealous teachers here. And here, this is the project which is promoting the collaborative teaching learning process with the intervention of novel techniques and strategies besides the usage of education tools. Apart from this, he is an achiever of 20+ online courses, and he is presently involved in ARMS, the Action Research Mentoring Scheme, in collaboration with British Council. In simple, he is an icon of simplicity and passionate in being a continuous learner, exemplifying Rabindranath Tagore's burning candle. That means a teacher is like a burning candle. Sir, I take the privilege to invite you once again for this online conference, and a warm welcome to you to render your message, sir. Please.
Good morning, all of you. Thank you, Roja, for introducing me. And it's a dream that the teacher should use the technology. Now, I thank the COVID. This has provided an opportunity for every teacher to start utilizing technology experimentation. So the ELTA has started his innovative techniques, strategies, and make everyone to aware of technology. And this seminar is also particularly focusing on only one aspect, that how the technology can be integrated into the classroom. But the most of the teachers still believe that we are in a position, lack of infrastructure, we can't implement all those things. But that is not the truth. After attending these seminars, the workshops, whatever the ELTA is doing, you will definitely do something different. Your perception of teaching will change. So the technology doesn't mean that only the devices, but the technology mean that. So how that strategies used in the technology can also be adapted in the classroom. So that is the purpose of organizing all these things. And I would like to congratulate the Warangal Urban team for doing this a tremendous work. Particularly, I congratulate the Sampath for his hard work. He worked for about 10 days preparing flyers, videos, inviting Google Forms and other things. He is an excellent person, and he is the person who is responsible for all these things. Thank you, Sampath, and thank you, Warangal Urban team, and congratulations to all the participants. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable message, sir. We would be always following your footsteps, sir. Thanks a lot once again. We always invite, and we would be privileged for your kind cooperation in future also. Thank you, sir.
Madam,
Kumaraswamy sir is please ask him.
Yeah. Now, Padmavati ma'am, could you take over, please? Padmavati ma'am. Okay. I take the privilege to invite Mr. Pula Srinivas sir, the Vice President of ELTA Telangana. The Associate President of ELTA Telangana. Sir?
Yeah.
Padmavati
Roja,
ma'am.
1 minute.
Yes.
So it's a really a pleasure and honor to invite Srinivas Pula, the Associate President of ELTA Telangana. Really, I'm very proud to introduce Srinivas Pula. It's because he has a lot of ocean of patience in him. Even one drop is shared to all ELTA Telangana teachers also, still it's remaining. So this is a very amazing fact about Srinivas Pula, and so humble personality, and he shares many of his words through WhatsApp groups, and that shows his message, what he has and his personality, a glimpsing personality. And really I feel proud and honored to introduce Srinivas Pula on this platform, and Mr. Vinay Raju, DO Warangal, as well as everybody, Professor Rajshekhar Rangapati, all these people have contributed to this conference, sir. So I thank everyone on this platform for sharing this such valuable platform for us. Now over to Srinivas Pula for his valuable message. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I welcome you all to one-day mini conference on digital technology innovations, which is designed by ELTA Warangal Urban. First of all, my heartfelt thanks to the officials, Sir RJD sir and Warangal Urban DO Narayan Reddy sir, for making us their role model. As in their words, they told that ELTA, actually I have the idea of giving the same kind of training to our fellow non-language teachers, so that they may improve their languages. And not only, of course, we are endeavoring and designing many programs for the benefit of not only the students of government schools, but I came to know that the people who are not belonging to government sector also get benefited through our programs. On this occasion, I would congratulate the whole team of Warangal, Telangana Warangal Urban, for taking an initiation to conduct a mini conference. They are competing with, it's not an exaggeration that they are competing with ELTA Telangana state level, but they are providing tremendous opportunities to the teachers of English to empower themselves with upcoming trends and techniques to make their classroom transaction very effective. So by providing this, not only the pandemic situation, as you know very well, that the current situation has created a vacuum. And you know what everyone tries for. So everyone requires for oxygen, and they conducting such a useful and very effective manner, like online sessions, like conferences or webinars. They are very useful and useful for everyone, not only language teachers, but I came to know that other friends of other teachers who belong to other subjects are also coming to know the way we are working and the way we are striving for the professional development of English teachers. And this pandemic situation actually created many opportunities for not only the teachers who are not using technology, but they came to know that technology is the must for these days to transact with our children, because there is we don't know for how many days we have to be at home and to learn new things, and definitely the experiences what we have accumulated during this pandemic situation can be carried forward to our classrooms. And I hope that not only students but also our fellow colleagues or other teachers of teachers of other subjects also motivated towards learning English, because English is not taught as a subject but as a language. So it is must for everyone to express their ideas or thoughts in English. Everybody looks for that opportunity, and our English teachers stood as role models for not only fellow teachers but officials to follow. Right. So this pandemic situation or COVID-19 has brought us many teachers came to limelight, as though they are very best of the best teachers, but this online teaching or webinars brought out many indigenous teachers, or the teachers with the best practices to learn by others who want to follow them. So once again I congratulate the whole team of ELTA Warangal Urban, and also my sisters Padmavati Madam and Roja Rani Madam for their excellence in or their proficiency in language and making this program a very grand success. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the whole team of ELTA Warangal Urban. Thank you all, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Srinivas Pula, for your valuable message. You are the man behind the screen, and although you are not on the dashboard of ELTA Telangana, but nevertheless, your motivation and encouragement is propelling all English teachers. So how could, without Srinivas Pula, ELTA Telangana could be imagined? And one more is, you stand as a big colorful feather for coveted cap of Telangana, and we stand as small feathers in front of you. Srinivas Pula, thank you very much. Now, Roja, to invite the next dignitary of our conference.
Thank you, Padmavati ma'am, and thank you, Srinivas Pula sir. We will always remain ever indebted to you for your encouragement, sir. You were the people who encouraged us to be there here today, and we would never forget that.
Thank you very much for your kindness and affection. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. It's
Thank
a
you,
pleasure, sir.
Okay.
And now I take this opportunity to invite Mr. T. Kumaraswamy sir, the president of ELTA Warangal. he is a person who is actually stands for his simplicity, and he is a person actually, he is the reflection of Srinivas Pula sir. Sorry, I take this privilege to say this because these two are the people who inspire us a lot. And as said by Padmavati ma'am, he is very patient, kind-hearted, and also the most proficient person in English. Sir, I would take this pleasure to invite Mr. Kumaraswamy sir to render his valuable message on this one-day online conference. Sir, please.
Ravi? Ravi sir?
This is Kumaraswamy
Okay.
from the
Yeah,
President
he's all
ELTA Varangal Urban. At the outset of my profound respects to the chief guest, TDSC Sri Lingay Garu, guest of honor DU Varangal Urban Sri K. Narayan Reddy Garu, guest speaker Sri Shashidhar Bandhu, PSA University, Saudi Arabia, NIT Professor Madhav Reddy Garu, ELTA Founder President Batni Komare Garu, ELTA Telangana State President G. Venkateshwar Rao Garu, and General Secretary P. Vinay Garu, all other districts presidents and secretaries, presenters, moderators, and executive crew of ELTA Varangal Urban, and teachers of English Urban District. This web platform, I warmly welcome you all to this mini conference on remote learning and innovative teaching using technology. As you know, recently ELTA Telangana has conducted international conference for 2 days. ELTA Telangana State has motivated us to organize a conference for Varangal Urban Teachers of English. This is the first of its kind from all other districts in Telangana State. ELTA Varangal Urban has been conducting webinar for the professional development of teachers of English in association with Varangal Urban Education Department. We have conducted 9 webinars so far. The pandemic situation has created the necessity of digital learning to utilize the technology for innovative teaching techniques and activities in the classroom teaching and learning to our government school underprivileged children. ELTA Varangal Urban always renders its voluntary service for the professional development of teachers of English and underprivileged children's learning.
Sir, okay. Madam, continue.
Continue.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for a valuable message, sir. We would always be following you, and we would never forget the encouragement you have extended to the ELTA Varangal team, and also been extending as the president of ELTA Varangal. Sir, we would together do many of such kind things, and we would realize your dreams, sir, and we would definitely be a part of the working body and active body of ELTA Telangana. Now, I once again thank all the people over here, and a warm welcome to all the different participants for this mini conference being conducted by ELTA Varangal Urban under the guidance of ELTA Telangana. Okay, so now it's a time for the actual sessions to be continued. Thank you all.